I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right mesh and pattern for fit and drape. Pick stretch versus stable mesh depending on movement needs. Cut the pattern to measurements and add 1/2 seam allowances. Accuracy here prevents fitting issues later. Once done, lay out fabric on a flat surface, pin pattern pieces with minimal distortion, and mark notches and grain lines. Make sure you have stretch needles, suitable thread, lining, and optional stabilizer, ready before stitching to maintain clean seams. You'll assemble the bodice next, starting with shoulder seam sewn in a stretch stitch or narrow zigzag for durability. Once the shell is joined, align and base the lining to the bodice, clipping curves so it lies flat, understitched to prevent roll. Then, try the bodice on or fit it to a mannequin to check shaping, pinning darts and side seams until the fit is correct. After adjustments, press gently with a low heat and test the stretch to ensure comfort and stability. You finish by sewing skirt panels with reinforced seams and matching the grain for consistent drape, then join the skirt to the bodice, easing evenly to avoid puckers. Finish all raw edges with binding or a serger, and choose between a narrow folded hem or a stitched elastic hem depending on desired stretch and edge weight. Once complete, test movement and seam stretch. If seams pucker or rip, reduce stitch length, switch to a stretch needle, and add stabilizer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.